Hey guys, we're here to answer the most common question we get about installing these Shackle reversals on these OBS Fords, which are an awesome upgrade when they're done correctly. The question we get is, how come my Shackle isn't at the right angle? How come my truck doesn't ride as good as it should? And this applies to a Shackle reversal using OBS springs or the 99-04 springs. This is a 2-inch Shackle drop for a 2-inch lift with a 4-inch lift spring, so a 6-inch lift system. Now the first thing you're going to see is we've only got one bolt in here. This bolt is where the stock Shackle was when it was in the front of this truck. We use this bolt to locate this hanger, but you can also see this hanger isn't straight. It's not flat parallel with the frame rail. And the reason for that is because your Shackle, if we're looking at it, if this piece of metal right here, let's say, is the Shackle at the back of the spring, if it's forward, as that spring compresses, it gets longer and it's going to fight itself. And that's where you're going to get that rough ride. It's going to feel real stiff. That Shackle needs to not be vertical, but just barely back at the bottom so it can freely move as the spring lengthens and shortens the suspension cycle. What we've found works really good. Doesn't involve a tape measure, doesn't involve a degree finder or anything like that. It's very simple. So what we do is we install the front hanger. We hang it with one bolt in the stock Shackle hole. We put the spring in, we bolt everything up, we leave this just a little bit loose, we install the shackles at the back, the hanger, and you get the full weight of the truck on. And then once you do that, you want to get back and look at your Shackle at the rear. Now if your Shackle is too far forward, you're going to need to cant this bracket to move your pivot point back so it pivots the Shackle back, right? So what we've found works really good. You just find scrap metal like this, 1/4 inch, 3/16, 1/8 inch, and you're going to experiment because not any two trucks are the same. The frames are never the same. The cross members are never perfect. So every truck's going to be a little different. The same amount of shims, you just got to play with it. You use some jack stands and a floor jack or a couple floor jacks and a buddy, and you're going to lift that thing, you're going to lower it until it sits where you want. You can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different shims in here that have got us to an angle that gets that Shackle where it needs to be. The biggest key to this too, besides it all being together, is that the full weight of the truck is on the suspension. And you also need to think about one other thing. New leaf springs or used leaf springs. You can use stock Super Duty or OBS springs with these Shackle reversals. And you've got to think those already have some cycles and age in them, so they're going to be pretty well sagged out where they're going to ride. A new leaf spring like this is going to settle in after a few miles, some bumpy roads and stuff like that. So when you're setting that angle on a new spring, straight up vertical is probably not a bad place to be, or just a little bit back at the bottom. But if it's a used spring, which is totally fine, a lot of people do it, you're going to probably want a little bit more angle on that. I'm going to get to the back here and I'm going to show you what this one looks like at this angle, and hopefully that'll explain what we're talking about. Okay, so we're in the back here by the Shackle. Like I said, this has got a brand new leaf spring, and you can see this is not perfectly vertical. It is not pointed forward. It's got just a little bit of cant because we haven't driven this truck yet. We haven't had a chance to settle the springs because we're not done because the front holes aren't drilled yet. But once we're done, we're going to recheck this, and this spring should settle just a little bit and bring this Shackle back just a little bit more. On the contrary, you don't want your Shackle way back here either. That's not going to help you either. But just a little bit past vertical with the back sticking out farther is going to allow this spring to compress, get longer, and make this truck ride as good as it's supposed to with these springs, because they do. They ride awesome. If it was a used spring, we'd probably want just a little bit more in there. Hopefully this helps you guys out, explain some things. Like I said, we get a call about this a couple times a week, and people get themselves into pickles, and we're going to try to help you out, prevent that, and maybe help you get through your project just a little bit faster.